All of our patients, regardless of social means, have smartphones, they have devices, they have lots of different ways to stay connected. One of medicine's most important tasks in this area is to figure out how to leverage that technology to better take care of our patients.
So here in the Reese Innovation Lab, we're always trying to solve complex problems. And when the university moved to remote learning, we put it in front of our team and said, how might we use emerging technologies to stop the spread of COVID? And as our team worked through that problem, we got specifically to how might we use AI to solve this problem.
In computer vision, these AI techniques have become better and better at recognizing objects and images. So we utilized the mask detection model to make this kiosk, which can detect if people are wearing masks and sort of raise awareness if they walk by it and it pops up that they aren't wearing a mask, they'd be reminded that they should put it on.
When Stephen King brought this idea to us, we were able to bring our architects and data scientists to collaborate with his team to very quickly iterate on the project to develop the technology and then to prove it out on our infrastructure. And in a matter of weeks, we were able to go from idea to actually having something implemented on the campus.
We started working through different hardware solutions until we got to something that was more than just a prototype, but was actually something that we could deploy across the university and at football games and in other places.
Your hardware is not going to work well if you don't optimize it. And so when we look at the Health Greeter Kiosks, there is a lot of Intel technology in this platform. So first of all, there's Core i5 in the Lenovo Nano product. The Intel RealSense camera is a depth sensing camera, and that is what takes in the data. So the data ingest goes through the Intel RealSense camera. And then the AI inference model is computed on the Nano through the Intel Neural Compute Stick. That is essentially a USB, a plug-and-play AI device, and that's where the inference is being performed.
I love the fact that this project is combining folks from media, journalism, technology, computer science, all of these folks at UNC striving to meet this big worldwide problem. It's just phenomenal, the innovation that's able to come out of Reese Innovation Lab and from UNC in general.
What this pandemic is doing, it's accelerating the acceptance for technology. It's teaching us how to do things differently, and people are being screened. The data is not being saved, but they're being told and reminded to social distance and reminded to wear their mask. That's a big help in getting us back to a semblance of normal life.
But it's a very practical, affordable way that we can use artificial intelligence and help keep people safe through this global pandemic.
If we can even just help in the smallest percentage, just to raise a little bit of awareness on campus, just to do whatever we can, just knowing that I'm using my efforts to go towards that goal felt really good.